It's the Reaper 17 here, and they say that every good journey, every good thing comes to a glorious ending, and every bad thing has an end. However, how bad it is, it will come to an end one day. And for my channel, this is it. I think I should say. I am confused right now. Now you guys might be asking what? I can only hear what's now instead of people saying oh it's okay, we can understand it. Now the answer to that what of you guys you have what the WHAT, the answer is for that is time. I don't have time. Many human beings in this world have a lot of time. They can just split it apart in pieces and arrange it well, use it accordingly. For me, it's not the case, I think. For me, my body and my time management works different. It's pretty flexible though, but I can't just add a recording of it in middle. But yeah. Now, one more thing, guys. I've left a reference for my final video. I'll be uploading only one final video. I've left a reference. Many people, it's just a giveaway, guys. It like you guys will easily get to know what it is, and that will be my final video, which I'll be uploading. Now, the problem. Now people might be saying, "Hey, you said you'll be uploading Arya 2 hunting guide, this, that." Oh no, guys! I have recorded everything. I've recorded Arya 2 vid. I've recorded a Warzone vid, a Rogue Company vid, and a COD vid was also there. A Minecraft vid. I have to restart a Minecraft vid because 1.17 came, so I can't do that now. But yeah, I'm sorry, but it has to happen. So say no to Minecraft, the one which I had. So but these vids I don't think I'll be able to upload them due to time. So I'll have to, even if I have time, I won't. So I came to a final point of decision where I'm like, dude, my fans are getting bored, my people are getting bored, my community is getting bored. 19 people, I'm managing them, but 19 people are a lot, guys. I don't have 1 million subs, I don't have 10 million subs, but 19 subscribers is a lot for me. But it's pretty tough to manage this time thing, and I can't take the responsibility yet. So if after my final video, if I upload one more video, you guys should say Reaper is back, but he'll be uploading monthly, or if time permits, weekly. Sorry for that Discord notification, guys. Weekly. But I don't know, maybe yearly too, or maybe not record forever. This might be the last. No, after this, what the other vid comes might be the last vid. And your boy Reaper is going in exile, I guess. He's going back to his house with his scythe. You can just imagine a Reaper walking, facing it, showing its back to you with a scythe on its back, walking straight. I don't know how to describe it, but this is a perfect ending. I had an amazing, spectacular journey with you guys. Every now and then, I never asked you guys for video ideas because that time my brain was full of ideas. If I would be recording this type of videos 2-3 years ago, guys, I think I might be able to hit 100 subs till now, or maybe a K or something. But yeah, and the funny thing is that many of my friend YouTubers, like LOL Super Dude too, and some people also know me as Rebellious Gamer, but that's like my forgotten channel. That was just a creation channel. I just went to test how to do. But yeah, my other friends like LOL Super Dude, Lurod, and AK Soham Kerala. He's a new one. He's please go give him support, guys. Please subscribe to him. He is a very hardworking fellow. He's still learning. Very nice vids. He's pro. He's better than me in COD, I should say. Yeah, he's pretty good. I won't be able to compete in COD, unfortunately, with him. I will 1v1 him though if I have time, and I will record it if I have time again. Same thing. Time matters. So I don't know, guys. It just confusion. I'm stuck in what to do. I don't know, guys. Let's see how everything goes. And now the problem is, some people might be thinking one more thing I wanted to tell. Some people might be thinking, hey, you talk big about your vids. You said you'll upload this, that. My friends also asked me, when are you gonna upload? When are you gonna upload? Simple answer, let's see. Time permits. When time permits, I think yes. And uploading, the question is, I have to transfer it on my PC, then I have to upload it. It's just simple. But that I have to get time for. That 5 minute work also I won't get time, I guess I should say. Just a work of 10 to 5 minutes, but I won't get time for that. That's the problem. And one more thing which people are thinking is, hey, you're jealous of other YouTubers, or your other friendly YouTuber like AK. I'm not. There's nothing to be jealous about other YouTubers. You should thank them for how much they have done. You should thank them for, I have done a vid where I was reacting to LOL Super Dude playing COD for COD. I was removing his mistakes. He thanked me for that, kinda. Like he like, oh thanks, dude. And other thing is, now, congrats LOL Super Dude for hitting 37 subs. By the way, it's very nice. We had competition. I was supposed to defeat you, but same thing time. But yeah, you did really good, dude. LOL. You deserve it. You have taught me many things in Minecraft too. You have bought me good in Skywars, in Hive. From a noob to a pro. AK Somkerkar, thank you for some of your gunsmith builds. You have told me. You have helped me in COD too. Actually, and yeah, really nice of you, dude. You have hit 18 subs. You'll cross me. I promise that will happen. That you will cross me in subs. But yeah, being a 19th subscriber YouTuber, I should have, looking at my views, I should have hit 20 a long time ago. But it's just the mistake of me, what I have done by not uploading vids for a while. I can't solve this issue in any ways, guys, but I guess, yeah. But whoever thinks that I'm jealous of others, no, it's not true. I'm not jealous of anyone. LOL Super Dude, AK Somkerkar, I'm not jealous of them. I'm happy. They have deserved what they have done for. Like, they deserve that, guys. They have done it. It's their hard work they put. Their fans like it. They want it. I can't say anything for that. They are there. We can't say, oh my god, these people are there. They don't deserve it. They do deserve it. They have done hard work for it. Seems so. I want to give a shout out to LOL Super Dude and AK Somkerkar for at least teaching me in games very well. But yeah, what can we do? It's just a friendly friends competition. We play, we talk, we laugh. Simple. Just time pass playing with friends. That time there's no YouTube and stuff. That time, guys, when we play together, just a matter of friends. But every good thing has to come to an end. Every king has to be dethroned once and for all. So I think it's time for my channel to get cut off. Maybe I should say, because let's see if after my this final video which I'll be uploading, not this one, after this, let's see what happens. But it's just like a Rubik's cube. You have to have an algorithm to solve it. For me, algorithm is the time, and I have to just keep on matching the colors for each side, each face of the cube. For me, I guess I can't do that because I don't have time. So so in simple ways, to solve the Rubik's cube, which is uploading vids for me right now, I need to have that algorithm, but I don't have it. So yeah, I mean, guys, now after my channel goes, some other YouTuber may come. There might be a new YouTuber on rise, and I will like to see him. I have more friends who want to do YouTube, who want to start. I encourage them to just upload one video and try. But let's see. I hope you guys stay out there for future news from me. I have I have always appreciated you guys, but I am going to appreciate you very well. 19 subscribers, small, but it's a lot for me, guys. It's a lot. 19 subscribers, it's like hitting 10 million for me almost. It's undescribable, guys. It's just the appreciation I've been gotten from you guys. It's a lot. And the day when all my channel comes to an end, I'll do it in a very grand way, sort of. Let's see what type of grand way we have. I'll just think up ideas. But till then, it's time your boy Reaper goes in exile. See ya.